Hey guys, welcome to Knots Fishing. Today, I just bought the worst boat you could ever buy, a Hewes Redfisher. And it's not the brand, it's not the model, it's this boat in particular. Check out the details. All right, this is the next day. Got this boat home, and boy, it was a mess. Just look down the rub rail here. It's all kinds of wanky, nothing straight on this thing whatsoever. The top deck up here is ridiculous. Look at this silicone makeshift, just half-assed repair they did on this thing. It was terrible. Way worse than I originally thought. I looked at this thing when it was raining and nighttime, so I didn't get a good look at it, but I got a good enough look at it to know it was not the best boat in the world, as you can tell in the initial startup of this video. Look at the expander foam they have just to be able to fill the crack for the rub rail to fit right, and it's still not fitting correctly. Look at these body lines on this lappy here. It is ridiculous how bad they are. It's choppy everywhere. This thing might have needed to go to the scrapyard whenever it had whatever done to it done. Is it fixable? Yes. Is it something we want to fix? No, we have too many irons in the fire right now. We have the broken pilot house still to fix. And we're not going to mess with this. We're going to put it for sale. Look at this caulking back here. I mean, they caulked everything. It's terrible. Glad my name's not on it. The Transoms Cracked. It flexes. They tried to hide the cracks right there. I've had 3 of these Redfishers. They've all cracked right there, but this one was a little worse than the others. The motor appeared to run. Trim tabs seemed to work. A lot of the stuff worked, a lot of the stuff didn't. It was a pretty standard Hewes as far as I could tell, other than just been repaired with no good intentions. Look at this cable here. It's terrible. Cable steering anyway. Everybody wants hydraulic steering these days. Nobody's putting this cable stuff on there. Just kind of a hack job everywhere and anywhere you look. The paint's crap. The rub rail's cracked. Look at these screws. They got them held in. Everything on this thing's wacky. The whole boat's flexing. Look at this. Tried to hide a crack here with some grip tape. Up to the front again. Just another view of a crap repair. Look how wavy this stuff is. The drain channels are all glassed over. It's horrendous. I can't say it enough. But this is what you look for when you buy a boat. This is something that should trigger you to say, don't buy this boat. Don't ever look at it. Don't get it. If I didn't drive 2.5 hours to go look at the boat, I probably wouldn't have bought it. I ended up buying the boat for about $3,000, so I wasn't in the hole on it, but it's definitely not something I wanted to fix. I was thinking it might have been a good little fixer-upper and a good little YouTube special to try and show some repairs on, but it was beyond what I wanted to get into. So we're going to turn it, put it on the old marketplace. If you see those little spots there, it was just bad repairs. Look at this under here. It's terrible. Can't say it enough. Anyway, I appreciate you guys watching. We're going to have some more broken pilot house videos coming up soon. This is going to start off our new year's new videos, and we're going to get into some good stuff this coming year. We're about done with our house remodel, so that means we are about to start getting back on the boats and on the fish. Thanks for watching, and as always, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. 2022 is going to be a great year. Knots Fishing, we're out. One thing I forgot. The anchor locker, they completely fiberglassed over. Who does that?